Tyre's two-wheel motorcycle tire pressure monitoring system is a system that monitors your tire pressure in real time. Two tire pressure sensors send readings to a monitor in your vehicle so that you can keep an eye on your tire pressure while driving. This system is there to detect abnormal tire pressure, prevent tire blowouts, and prolong tire life. The Tyre tire pressure monitoring system consists of two pressure sensors fitted to the tires of your motorcycle. The motorcycle system is only available in external sensors. The sensors wirelessly transmit the tire pressure in real time to a monitor on your vehicle. In the case of a slow or fast deflation, the monitor will set off an alarm. These alarms are set to go off if the tire pressure goes under the set low pressure mark or above the set high pressure mark. To install the system on your vehicle, use the provided handlebar monitor holder. Switch the monitor on by pressing and holding the button with a triangle until the home screen appears. Install the two sensors on the tires. Simply screw the nut on the valve and then the sensor. Lock the sensor with a lock nut. The position of each sensor will be indicated on the sensor itself. F for front and R for rear. It is important to note that if one or more of the tire's pressures are not indicated on the monitor, the wheels need to move. A simple drive around the block should fix this. Press and hold the set button until the screen displays bar PSI. Using the triangle button, go through the settings menu until you find the option you want to change. The first option is the pressure unit setting used for changing the monitor's measuring unit between bar and PSI. It is preset at bar. If you press the triangle button, the next option displayed is the temperature unit setting, where you can choose between degrees centigrade or degrees Fahrenheit. It is preset at degrees centigrade. If you press the triangle button again, the high pressure setting will be displayed. Here you can set the tire pressure that will sound the unit's high pressure alarm. If you press the triangle button again, the low pressure setting will be displayed. Here you can set the tire pressure that will sound the unit's low pressure alarm. We suggest that the low pressure be set at least 0.4 bar less than your driving tire pressure. If you press the triangle button again, the high temperature setting will be displayed. Here you can set the temperature that will sound the unit's alarm. It is preset at 65 degrees. If you press the triangle button one more time, you will have cycled back to the first setting menu, indicated by bar PSI displayed on the screen. If you want to change something, tap the set button once. The option will start to flash. Changes can then be made using the triangle button. When the necessary changes have been made, press the set button once to accept and save changes. When you are done changing settings, hold down the set button until the home screen appears. The tire pressure will not be displayed immediately. The wheels have to move to activate the sensors. When a sensor needs to be replaced, it will be necessary to register the new sensor on your monitor. To register the sensor, press the set button 5 times. The monitor will display the two tires and the front tire will start to flash. The flashing tire is now ready to receive the signal of the new sensor. To select the rear tire, just press the triangle button once and the rear tire will start to flash. Screw the sensor onto the valve and the monitor will beep. The sensor is now registered. Press and hold the set button to return to the home screen. The tire pressure monitoring system sensors send information to the monitor and the monitor will display the pressures last sent through. The sensors automatically enter sleep mode when the vehicle isn't in use for more than 5 minutes, and until the wheels move again, the last received pressures will be displayed. The tire pressure sensor's batteries can be replaced. The brightness of the monitor screen can be adjusted using the triangle button. The monitor uses rechargeable batteries and needs to be charged occasionally. Sensors can be bought separately. Included in the two-wheel motorcycle tire pressure monitor systems box is the monitor, 2 external sensors, monitor holder, spanner, anti-theft washer, wrench, USB power cord, and instructional booklets.